Yeah, you know what it is. Supernatural Rolando Sweet is back at it like a crack addict, baby. And I mean that only in the figurative sense. Don't get any ideas. Now, it remains to be seen if there's anybody that got what I got when it comes down to the wrestling acumen possessed by the supernatural one, Rolando Sweet. What I do in that ring is nothing short of revolutionary, baby. It's revolutionary. I'm turning the world upside down with what I do when I do what I do, if you get what I'm saying, baby. Now, I know what people are saying out there. They're saying, Supernatural One, if you're so great, why haven't you dominated the world? Well, you know what? You ain't been paying attention, baby, because I have been dominated. I've been everywhere, baby. I've been everywhere around the world. I've touched every country, every continent, and I've graced them with my presence. Everywhere I go, I get 5-star treatment, luxury accommodations, security escorts. I get bodyguards for free, baby. People want to provide security for Supernatural Rolando Sweet because they recognize the value that I bring to their countries when I visit them. I'm good for their gross domestic product. You know what I'm saying? They understand the money value of having the Supernatural One in their country. People coming up for autographs, wanting me to sign their babies. They want me to sign babies, not even their diapers, their babies themselves. And they say, we're not going to wash this baby because we want your autograph to remain on this baby so you can bless this baby with your greatness. And I say, that's too kind. That's too kind of all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm a humble human being, and my humility carries me to great success. You got to be humble in this life. You got to be sincere. And I sincerely think that I'm the greatest competitor to ever step foot in that ring. That's no hyperbole. And if you don't know what that means, you better check your thesaurus. Let me tell you something. Supernatural Rolando Sweet always got something to say about anything. But I can say something with this, and I can say something with this. We can get down to business this way if you prefer. I've got an incredible acumen in that ring, and I'm capable of incredible things. Yes, you know that it's true. It makes me feel so good, man, to know what I can do in that ring. I'm impressed myself. I have a good time in that ring, baby. And I have a good time doing what I do. I have a good time being Supernatural Rolando Sweet. I'm proud every morning when I wake up. I wake up in the morning or whenever I wish. And the first thought I have is, thank you for being Supernatural Rolando Sweet. I'm blessed, baby, no matter what I do. And what I do is amazing. It's legendary already. And it ain't over. Not by a long shot. I got a long way to go, baby. And the only way to go is up. And you know this. Supernatural Rolando Sweet is back.